Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Aaron Morton, Realtor here with the Aerosol team of Keller, Williams, and Clarksville, and I'm going to tell you how you can surely hit your home buying goals this year. Number one, work on your credit score. It is very, very important that you do this. Let me tell you why. 640 is the magic number that you want to be around, okay? Anything lower than that is really going to start digging into your interest rate. Now, we all want to have low interest rates, right? So I highly suggest that you work to get your credit score to a 640. Now, there's multiple ways for you to do this. So I highly suggest speaking with a mortgage lender who can give you some tidbits on how to raise your score so that they can give you the pre-approved that you're looking for. Now, in some cases, you can have bad credit, but bad credit in this case means 580 and above and just slightly below 640. But to get the low interest rate, you want to try and get as close as possible to the 640 credit score. All right. Secondly, start working on your down payment right now. You may have to sacrifice a few things. You may not be able to go out and buy those items that you were thinking about at the end of last year, especially if you want to purchase a home. This is going to be one of your biggest investments, but you want to be able to put down a substantial down payment so that you can lower the costs that you will have to pay on a monthly basis. So here's a few numbers. First-time home buyers, you're only looking at around 3.5% to 7% down payment. All other buyers between 7.5% to 13%. One of the biggest misconceptions is that you need 20% down payment. Well, that's just simply not true. Like I said, if you're a first-time home buyer, work to save at least 3.5% to 7%, and all other buyers work around 7 to 13%, and you should be A-okay. All right. Another reason, let me go back to the credit portion. Like I said, you want to have a low interest rate. All right. So the higher your credit score, the lower your interest rate. All right. Now, moving forward, please get yourself pre-approved. Now, what does being pre-approved mean? That means you have talked to a mortgage lender. They've looked at your finances. They looked at your work history. They looked at how much money you save, and that will determine how much money you can borrow from the bank to purchase a home. Okay? I'm going to tell you this now. I've had multiple clients who brushed off these little tips and started looking at homes online, and they called me and said, hey, I want to look at that $400,000 house. I wanted to go buy it. Well, I've told them, and I'm going to tell you as well, go get pre-approved first. Let's find out what you qualify for first before you get excited about a home that you can't even purchase. It's a very, very crushing feeling, and I don't want you to go through that. So make sure you talk to a mortgage lender, find out how much you can get pre-approved for. Now, to do this, I'm going to tell you now, they're going to ask you for pay stubs or your work history. They're going to ask you for some financial documents like your tax returns. They may ask for your bank statements and those type of things. But do not feel uncomfortable about this, because these are the steps and the things that you have to turn in. Mortgage lenders require these items to review your file to see how much they're going to lend to you. All right. This is a lot of money that they're lending out to you, so they want to make sure that you are well qualified to borrow this money. Last but not least, make sure that you talk to a real estate professional such as myself. All right. Please do this, because you are going to work with somebody that's going to be able to give you all the information that you need to make sure that you have a successful transaction when purchasing your home. Yes, you can listen to your friends. Yes, you can listen to your family, but it's best to listen to a real estate professional who can give you all the insight information that you will need to make the best decisions when purchasing your home. Hey, my name is Aaron Morton. Once again, Realtor here with the Aerosol team of Keller Williams, and I can be reached at 931-919-9467. If you have any questions about the real estate market, or about the home buying process. And of course, if you know anyone else that may be looking to purchase a home this year or even sell their property, make sure you let them know about me and my team so that we can give them the best service possible. I look forward to hearing from you guys, and have a great day.